Here's how to get Claude Desktop installed on your Windows PC. Takes about 2 minutes. Let's go. Open your browser and go to claude.ai/download. Click the Download for Windows button and the installer will start downloading straight away. Just wait for it to finish downloading. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Windows will ask for permission to install. Click Yes on the prompt. The installer runs automatically. No setup wizard, no clicking through pages. Just let it finish. Claude opens on its own when the install is done, or find it in your Start menu by searching Claude. Once it opens, click Get Started. You can now log in to your Google account or use the same account you'd use on claude.ai. Your projects and conversations will already be there. And that's it. Claude Desktop is installed and ready to go. Claude Desktop works on Windows 10 and above. It's free to install and it stays in your taskbar, so it's always one click away. Same Claude, just living right on your PC. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.